If you've ever decorated for 4th of July and felt like red, white, and blue was getting a little too loud, trust me, I totally get it. Hey, my cozy besties. Welcome back to Nick&Nadine. Today I'm bringing you back for some of my favorite easy and affordable patriotic styling moments from last year. Before we get started on the new decor in this area for this year, I'm going to bring you back for some of my favorite easy and affordable patriotic styling moments from last year. We are doing a soft indoor coffee table refresh, a quick patriotic Keurig drink, an outdoor poolside setup. I'll be sharing one of my favorite hosting hacks that is sure to go viral. And later in this video, I'm going to share a sparkling strawberry tea that is so pretty for the holiday weekend. This video is going to be a classic 4th of July inspiration video while I finish up the brand new modern organic Dollar Tree look that's coming next. So if you want your home to feel festive, but still feel soft, clean, and pretty, let's get into it. If I'm completely honest with you guys, I always want my patriotic decor to feel very easy, or else it may not get done. I don't love when the red, white, and blue starts feeling a little too loud and busy. I want everything to look very clean and festive. So always start with your foundations, your books, your trays, your baskets. Whatever your foundational pieces are going to be, start with those and then build upward. Then I go ahead and add all of my red, white, and blue sprinkles. Life can be really busy sometimes, but one thing I want you to remember is don't forget to add the food for your florals because we want them to last as long as they can. I tend to have a really bad habit of buying the florals, putting them down for a couple of days before I even put them up. So my florals are in real need of nurturing and care once I get them going. 10 out of 10, I do not recommend for you to purchase the florals and then have them sitting for a few days. Get them up as soon as you can. Right here, I had to put a hurricane filled with bags in order to place my other hurricane because this vase had a lot of depth. So I needed to rise my florals, and this was the little hack, I guess, that you would say that I use to make that happen. And of course, I place all of my patriotic flags. I love using affordable little pieces like flags, beads, and simple florals and vases. You really don't have to buy a whole new set of decor every single year. Listen, decorating is always about using what you already have, adding one or two small seasonal pieces, maybe a new one here or there, and styling them in a way that feels more intentional. And if your flags look a little wrinkled, just remember to take a moment to steam them. These are steps that I don't like, but sometimes that one little step makes them look so much better and gives everything a cleaner look. I definitely don't always know where every single piece is going to go at first. And I usually try something, move it around a little bit, maybe not always on camera, but sometimes I'll take away and then add something back, and then I usually get the final look. So at first, if your decorating does not look right, do not give up. Sometimes the best look comes after you move things around a few times. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart. Colossians 3, verse 23. And once it finally came together, it gave me that soft patriotic look without feeling too busy. This is one of those easy ideas that feels cute for the holiday, but it doesn't take a lot of work, so I love that. These fruity Keurig refreshers help me to recreate a red, white, and blue moment with my drinks. On top of that, I added some fresh berries, raspberries, and blueberries to make it absolutely perfect. It's not just about how the decor looks, it's about really having a fun moment. Now let's take it outside. For the poolside area, I wanted everything to feel very relaxed, fresh, and easy. I found this runner over at Hobby Lobby and this table mat as well, but I didn't go ahead and use it. I went ahead and used the rattan alternate look. Let me tell you, when I was doing this table, I had no clue where I was going to start or what I was going to do, except for I knew I was going to use the runner. So it was a little trial and error, as you can see, but we got it together. This is one where I ended up putting it up, taking it down because it just wasn't heading in the direction that I wanted it to. I am so glad that I was patient with this one because it ended up looking amazing. For this setup, I kept the same idea going from inside of the house. Blue and white first, then just a small touch of red. That makes it feel patriotic, but still very calm and pretty. It doesn't have to feel like every corner is screaming 4th of July at us. A few small details can still make the whole entire space feel very much ready for the holiday, and especially outside. I like when things feel easy. I want it to look nice, but I also want people to feel like they can actually sit down and enjoy it. I came up with the idea to use these slapsticks as my napkin ring holders, and I figured by the time this whole event got started, the kids would actually have a slapstick to play with and it would make sense. Incorporating playful ideas like this makes everything so much fun. This idea was cute, easy, affordable, and it gave the table a little extra detail without spending a lot. Sometimes those small details are what actually make the setup feel more finished. I simply plucked a few of the sprigs from my olive branches and decided to tuck them in for a little bit of an upscale lift, along with my slap bracelets or my slapsticks, however you want to term them. So here we have a little bit of elegance mixed with a little bit of fun. These ideas are perfect when hosting both adults and children in the same space. While I lay my linen and set my Walmart planter, I want to show you a little outdoor hack that I have and I still absolutely love. I don't know about you, but I do not love the bugs. If you've been here for a moment, you've heard me rant about this so many times. Yes, we live in Florida and it is the most buggy place that I have ever resided in. But it's not enough of a deal breaker if you have this hack. When you are doing your outdoor setups for the summer, especially before you want to go out and enjoy everything, just spray your safe outdoor repellents around the area on the outdoor friendly linens before before everyone comes out. Spray this stuff everywhere, in your chairs, over your decor, everywhere. It's such a simple step, but it makes the whole entire setup feel so much more comfortable. And let me tell you, girl, pretty is nice, but the comfort is what's going to make people actually want to sit and enjoy the space. If you are very health conscious, you can make your own spray simply out of some water, some peppermint, lavender, and a few extra drops of citronella. Disclaimer, I do not promote drinking, but in the spray bottle, not in your belly, you can add 2 tablespoons of vodka. And don't forget to add these to an amber spray bottle so it lasts a little bit longer. This will help the spray to add a little bit of longevity. It's good for about 2 weeks. These types of ingredients will last you a very long time, give you lots of spray, and they are super cost effective. Once you put all of these things together, you can also add a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to help the mix kind of mix a little bit better, if that makes sense. And half teaspoon of vegetable glycerin also helps the scent cling a little bit longer. Hopefully that is helpful, and I will link that recipe in the description box below. Another disclaimer, this is just a comfort spray. So if there is disease activity in your area, please use the recommended higher level repellents for those situations.
It looks beautiful, has some strawberries, some lemon. I had some lemon, it was delicious.
And this delicious strawberry.
My kids are so random and funny. Before I show you the complete and final look, I just had to bring back this sparkling strawberry tea because it was such a pretty outdoor drink and perfect for this particular occasion. Some ice, the strawberry iced tea, the Topo Chico, some fresh berries to match the theme, and some lemon rounds. Perfected for a holiday weekend. This one felt so perfect. Perfect for poolside, a cookout, or just a slow summer afternoon at home. I used strawberry iced tea and added Topo Chico to give a sparkling summer drink feel. It is very light and refreshing, pretty enough for the holiday weekend without being complicated. That is my favorite kind of hosting idea, and something simple that feels very special. The bubbles made it feel a little extra, even though it is so easy to put together. These ideas were so simple. Nothing too heavy, too expensive, or too hard to recreate. That is always going to be the goal for me. Making my home beautiful, seasonal, and welcoming without feeling like I have to buy everything new. So if you are decorating for 4th of July, start with what you already have. Bring in a few affordable pieces and keep the colors soft if it feels more like your style. We love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.